Okay, thanks for everyone here. Uh, we are looking a tutorial for guiding you for guide for change your password, your PIN on your computer. Let us start with open settings. Open your Windows settings. Now, there is any shortcut you can use, like a Windows logo key. Press I, and also can uh, press or click on Windows logo key, and then type settings. Yes, settings is here, then open. Yeah, murabibona settings is opened. Yeah, the second, click on update and security. But there is many ways. Let me show you any short way to get it. Yeah, any short way can use search by typing in the search bar here. Type right sign up, sign in option, sign in option. That is, click on sign in options. Yeah, here this tab is on sign in options. Sign in option it includes with Windows Hello Face, Windows Hello Fingerprint. If your PC have any fingerprint used to recognize your finger. Yeah, the second is Windows Hello PIN, and another security key. This security key, you can use it by using any flash drive. When you make a passkey with a flash drive, can you unlock your computer by using your flash created as passkey? It includes with passkey token to sign in on your computer. Password and picture password. Swipe up, swipe up and tap your favorite photo to unlock your computer. Here we add a picture and select any part of picture or click on any part of picture to unlock our computer. Now we can set up it, but let us change any Windows Hello PIN on our computer. Click on Windows Hello PIN here, and then click on change. Yeah, in this tab called Windows Security, change your PIN. Yeah, here we type the current PIN, the PIN or previous PIN we used. Yeah, let us type our previous PIN we're gonna to change. You see, this is the previous PIN. Then you we type any new pin. When we are setting the pin with letters or symbol, we enable here. When we are set the password with any letters or symbols, just like can use question mark in your password, bars, hashtag, and so on. Whatever you use, whatever password you set with the letters and the symbols, you must enable this. Yes, let us continue. Type old password. We set new. We are typing. We are putting a new password twice. Means we type in new pin. In new pin. We are type pin. A pin we want to set as new pin, and then we'll write it in the below box. Yes, we'll write it twice. It means yeah, write it twice. Okay, let us continue by writing a new password. And then click OK. Password changed. Wow. Please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and ask me about many info about NIT. I'm here to help you. I'm here for you. Goodbye.